attempt doing this maintenance on my lawnmower, not one of my strong points. I've thrown on my Did It Myself Life is Good t-shirt. You can actually do this type of stuff. You just have to have the courage to start. And my motto is, you know, if I screw it up, I'll just take it to somebody to fix it. Let's go outside and just see what kind of mess I can make. So the first thing I did was get it up on this table. I took the lawnmower up the ramp, put my table at the end, and rolled that lawnmower right on top. I'm gonna take the cap off of the spark plug. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the filter off, the air filter, so that I can get back to the carburetor. See this hole right here? I didn't want to spray water in there. And I cleaned all this up. I am gonna blow out my air filter. It's gross. It's always a good idea to take pictures of what you're taking apart so you can get back together again. Also, if I can, I like to keep the screws in the holes. The guy that did the video said there was a hole that the gas would go through, but I don't have a hole. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else. There is no doubt in my mind that there's a simpler way to do this. So I took a bucket and I took a gas can. So I went into my shop and I found an old hose that was used on a prior washing machine. Into the gas can. One of the reasons I emptied the gas out of my old gas lawnmower is because I don't want to use it anymore. This lawnmower has no gas in it at all. I've cleaned everything up, so it's ready in case my electric one quits working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Find out how to do all kinds of things that, ladies, we've just thought for years we couldn't do. You can do it, I promise.